it's Evie, Key Pie, and today we got these llama squishies, and I'm here with my mum.
Hi guys.
So we got a white one and a pink one.
And it was from Daiso, guys. So it was $2.80 each at
Actually,
Daiso.
I don't think it's a llama, guys. I think it's a alpaca because it says alpaca.
Yeah, it's an alpaca keyring.
So let's get opening now. First one is the pink one. Here we go. So, it actually has a bow. Look at it. It's an alpaca. So look at the alpaca. Looks so cute together.
So there's a keyring, guys. So there's like a little hole there, a hook, so you can put the keyring in. Here's the keyring.
So we get keyrings. So we put the keyrings on, and this is what it looks like. So guys, that's all for today, and we hope you enjoyed watching our alpaca video. So make sure you click that like button, and please subscribe for more squishy videos. Bye!